Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a first look at the 2026 Cadillac CT5, a luxury sports sedan that combines premium comfort, modern technology, and impressive performance. If you're looking for a stylish sedan that offers a smooth driving experience with a touch of sportiness, the new CT5 could be worth waiting for. Let's check out everything it has to offer. The 2026 Cadillac CT5 arrives with a refreshed design that looks more modern and aggressive than before. At the front, you'll notice a larger black mesh grille with the signature Cadillac badge placed proudly in the center. The slim LED headlights give the car a sharp appearance, while the updated daytime running lights make it instantly recognizable, even from a distance. Moving to the side, the CT5 features clean body lines, a coupe-inspired roofline, and new alloy wheel designs ranging from 18 to 20 inches depending on the trim. Chrome accents around the windows add a premium touch, while the wider stance gives the sedan a more confident road presence. At the rear, the updated LED taillights look sleek and futuristic. A redesigned rear bumper, dual exhaust outlets, and subtle trunk spoiler complete the sporty appearance. Overall, the 2026 CT5 looks elegant enough for business use while still offering the excitement of a performance sedan. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that feels modern and luxurious. One of the biggest upgrades is the large curved touchscreen display that combines the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless panel. The graphics are sharp, the menus are easy to use, and everything feels much more advanced than the previous model. The seats are wrapped in premium leather with available heating, ventilation, and massage functions on higher trims. Both front and rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and headroom, making long journeys comfortable. The dashboard features high-quality soft-touch materials, real wood or carbon fiber trim depending on the model, and customizable ambient lighting that creates a premium atmosphere at night. Technology is another strong point of the new CT5. It comes equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless phone charging, multiple USB-C ports, a premium Bose audio system, built-in Google services, voice controls, and over-the-air software updates. When it comes to safety, Cadillac includes a wide range of advanced driver assistance features. These include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, parking sensors, a surround view camera, and available Super Cruise hands-free driving technology on selected trims. Under the hood, the 2026 Cadillac CT5 is expected to offer multiple engine choices. The standard model may continue with a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing around 237 horsepower. Buyers looking for more power can choose the 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, delivering approximately 335 horsepower. Both engines are expected to be paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive remains standard, while all-wheel drive will likely be available for drivers who need better traction in different weather conditions. Fuel economy should remain competitive for the luxury sedan segment, with the turbocharged engine expected to deliver around 23 mpg in the city and close to 33 mpg on the highway, depending on the configuration. The driving experience is expected to be one of the CT5's biggest strengths. The suspension provides a comfortable ride during daily commuting while still offering responsive handling through corners. Steering feels precise, and the cabin remains quiet even at highway speeds. Now let's talk about pricing. Although Cadillac has not officially confirmed final pricing for every trim, industry expectations suggest the following. Base luxury trim, starting around $40,000. Premium luxury trim, approximately $47,000. Sport trim, around $49,000. High-performance CT5V models will likely start above $58,000, while the CT5V Blackwing will remain the flagship performance version with pricing exceeding $95,000. The 2026 Cadillac CT5 is expected to arrive at dealerships during late 2025 or early 2026, depending on the market. Overall, the 2026 Cadillac CT5 continues to be an attractive choice for buyers who want luxury, comfort, modern technology, and sporty performance without stepping into the higher-priced European competitors. With its updated styling, improved interior, advanced